Good morning class. Today in continuation of laws of chemical combination. Today I will teach you law of constant proportion. Law of constant proportion was given by Proust in 1779. He analyzed that the chemical composition means that the type of elements present and percentage of element present of a large number of compounds and came to conclusion that the proportion of each element in a compound is constant, or it means that it is fixed. Based on these observations, Proust formulated the law of constant proportion. According to law of constant proportion, a chemical compound always consists of same elements combined together in a same proportion by mass. This law means that whatever be the source from which it is obtained or the method by which it is prepared, a pure chemical compound is always made up of same elements in the same mass percentage. Now let us take one example, that is water. Water is a compound which always consists of same elements like hydrogen and oxygen combined together in a same constant proportion by 1:8 by mass. It means that 1 part of mass of hydrogen and 8 parts of mass of oxygen. Let us discuss this more in detail. Water is a compound. If we decompose 100 gram of water, it is decomposed by passing through the electric current to form a hydrogen and oxygen. These are the constituents of water. It means that 100 gram of pure water, by passing electricity through it, then 11 gram of hydrogen and 89 gram of oxygen are obtained. Now if we repeat this experiment by taking pure water from different sources like river, sea, well, the same masses of hydrogen and oxygen elements are obtained in every case. This experiment shows that the water always consists of same two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, combined together in the same proportion. Same means that same constant proportion by 11:89 or 1:8 by mass, and this is known as law of constant proportion. Now let us take another example, that is ammonia. Ammonia is a compound. It has been found by analysis that ammonia always consists of same two elements, nitrogen and hydrogen. They combine together in the same ratio of 14:3 by mass. This also shows the example of law of constant proportion. Now children, please note, the law of constant proportion is also known as the law of definite proportion or law of constant composition. Thank you.